Okay, it's almost Shabbos and we just got a new refrigerator. When the door hits this, light goes on and off. There's the magic, put a little tape, and the light is off for Shabbos. The fancy refrigerators have a special mode that you have to hit a button and then the light goes off for Shabbos. We just bought this refrigerator. I did not get that mode. And I think this will do just fine. Besides, practically, I'm the type of person that would forget to do it every week. So I'd rather just have no light and have just the light of Shabbos. Shabbat Shalom. I just want to show you that Noah made this video. She was holding the camera. Good job. Thumbs up. Okay, good Shabbos.